Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Your objective is simple. Permanently unlock the BMW M3 GTR by defeating the Blacklist #1 Razor. To reach that point, you must progress through story events, complete police pursuits, and beat rivals until you reach Blacklist rank 15. Once you achieve Blacklist 15, you will trigger the final challenge against Razor in a head-to-head race. Winning that final race returns the BMW M3 GTR to your garage permanently. And from that moment, you can select and customize it for free play and all subsequent events. First, reach Blacklist rank 15 by beating rivals and winning key events across Rockport, including standard races, speed traps, and 5-star pursuits. Second, trigger and accept the final challenge to race Razor in the final event. This appears once Blacklist 15 is reached and story conditions are met. Third, prepare your car with full upgrades and a clean heat level, then win the final race to claim the BMW M3 GTR as yours permanently, and remove any story-imposed car restrictions. Fully upgrade your primary car for speed, acceleration, and handling before facing Razor. Engine, turbo, and transmission upgrades matter most for the final head-to-head. Use police suppression and heat management to avoid 5-star wrecks during key events so you do not lose progress or resources before Blacklist 15. Study Razor's line and use drafting on straights, braking early into corners, and the racing line for exits. Save progress before the final challenge to retry without losing progress if you fail, and keep a backup tuned car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.